For many of you who work in the trades, electrical work can be a nightmare. But what if I told you that there's a tool out there that could make your life easier? The Klein Tools 93LDM100C is supposed to be one of the best multimeters on the market, but is it really worth the hype? /N. But here's what surprised me when I started digging deeper into this product. It has some amazing features that set it apart from other tools in its class. For example, it can measure up to 10 DC and AC current, which is perfect for diagnosing electrical issues on large machinery or even residential properties. But there's more to this tool than just its impressive specs, /N. Therefore, today we're going to take a closer look at the Klein Tools 93LDM100C multimeter, examining both its strengths and weaknesses so you can decide whether it's right for your needs. For the best price, click the link in the description. Deep dive 600 words. The first thing I noticed when using this multimeter was its ergonomic design. It fits perfectly in my hand, making it easy to use even for extended periods of time. But what really impressed me was its high accuracy. It's said to have a measurement range of up to 1000 VDC and AC voltage, with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5% plus 2 digits /N. But as impressive as this may seem, I couldn't help but wonder how well the Klein Tools 93LDM100C would hold up in real-world conditions. After all, electrical work can be messy and unpredictable. Would this tool be able to withstand it? Therefore, let's take a closer look at its build quality and durability. /N. The Klein Tools 93LDM100C has a stainless steel body that's designed to last for years of heavy use. It also features a ruggedized case that protects the tool from damage in tough environments. But while this may be impressive, I still have some concerns about its long-term reliability. Act 2, the good and the bad 400 words. Now that we've covered some of the benefits of the Klein Tools 93LDM100C multimeter, let's take a closer look at some of its drawbacks. For one thing, it's not as easy to use as I initially thought. Some features are buried deep within the menu system and can be difficult to navigate without consulting the manual. /N. Therefore, if you're looking for a tool that's going to make your life easier in the long run, this might not be the best choice. On the other hand, its accuracy is unparalleled. It's one of the most accurate tools on the market today. But how does it compare to similar products from other manufacturers? /N. One thing I noticed when comparing it to other multimeters was that the Klein Tools 93LDM100C has a slightly more complex design. While this may make it more difficult to use, it also gives it an edge in terms of its measurement capabilities. Resolution 400 words. So is the Klein Tools 93LDM100C worth the hype? After taking a closer look at both its strengths and weaknesses, I'd say that it's definitely worth considering for serious electricians or tradespeople. Its high accuracy and rugged build quality make it an excellent choice for those who need to work with electrical systems on a daily basis. /N. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new multimeter and want one that's going to last, this might be a good option. For the best price, click the link in the description to see what other customers are saying about it. But don't just take my word for it, read on to learn more about this product.